Draw BMD and SFD for the fixed beam as shown below. As shown below. So fixed beam given UDL 10 kilonewton per meter. This is 4 meter. Then a point load 15 kilonewton, 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay, this is A, this is B, C, D. So go for the Maclaurin's method to find out the values of VA, VB, MA, MB. So many methods are there. So I am choosing this method. VB, VA. Already I explained this previous cases. How to take this MA, MB. Here 10 kilonewton per meter, 4 meter, 15 kilonewton, 3 meter, 3 meter. So because UDL is right side, better to cut the section at the right side. Okay, I am cutting the section so that in the Maclaurin's method, UDL should be up to the far end, up to the end here, up to the end. So if I write the mx here, mx is equal to VA into x. VA into x is clockwise. Okay, positive. This is minus MA because it is anti-clockwise. Minus MA, then minus 15 into remaining. What is this remaining? 3. So minus 15 into x minus 3. Minus 15 into x minus 3. Now what about this 10? 10 into what is out here? Here this is the 6 here. No. So because it is UDL, you should write square. So it is also anti-clockwise. So minus 10 into x minus 6 whole square by 2. This is about the mx. So this is equal to EI d square y by dx square. On integrating, now go for integrating. On integrating, what will happen? EI dy by dx is equal to VA into x, VA into x square by 2. Okay. Then MA into x minus 15 into x minus 3 whole square by 2 minus 10 into x minus 3 whole cube by 2 into 3 plus C1. Say this is equation number 1. Equation number 10. Earlier we studied C1 and C2 will be 0 if I go for the Maclaurin's method, okay, for the fixed beams. So here at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. What will happen? This is 0, this is 0, this is also 0. 0 minus 3, minus 3. So minus 3 will not consider in the Maclaurin's method. Here minus 6. This also will not consider. So C1 will become 0. That is the one condition. Sorry, dy by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, dy by dx is equal to 0, C1 is equal to 0. Now similarly, at x is equal to L also, this fixed beam, no? So at x is equal to
10.
L, x is equal to L, that is 10 meters. Again, dy by dx is 0. dy by dx is 0. Substitute in 1. 1 means this is a 1. So what will happen? 0 VA into 10 square by 2 minus MA into 10 minus 15 into 10 minus 3, 7 square by 2 minus 10 into here 10 minus 6 is 4. So 4 cube by 6, this C1 is 0. So if you do the calculation here, this is 100 by 2, 50. So 50 VA minus 10 MA is equal to this minus will go outside, other side it will be 474.167. So this I'll take it as some equation number 2. So first equation I got with respect to slope. Then again integrating what will happen here. So this is about the slope equation. Again integrating what will happen. EIY is equal to VA into x cube by 6 minus MA into x square by 2 minus 15 into x minus 3 whole cube by 6 minus 10 into x minus 6 whole to the power of 4 by 24. C1 is 0, so I will not take that one. C2, am I right? So C2, this I'll take it as equation number 3. So what will happen? I already told you. At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If you substitute above, what will happen? C2 0. Why C2 0? This is 0. VA into 0. 0 cube 0. 0 square 0. This is 0 minus 3. Minus 3 will not consider. Here also minus 6 will not consider. C2 will become 0. Then what is the other condition? The other condition is at x is equal to L. I'll take here. So at x is equal to L, how many meters? That is 10 meters. Y is equal to 0. Substitute in equation number 3. Equation number 3, if I substitute, what I am going to get here? 0 is equal to VA into 10 cube by 6. So VA into 10 cube by 6 minus MA into 10 square by 2 minus 15 into 7 cube by 6 minus 10 into 4 to the power of 4 by 24. If you do this one, 1000 by 6, that will be 166.67 VA minus 100 by 2, 50 MA is equal to 964.167, the equation number 4. Solving 2 and 4. Okay, solving, this is 2 is there, na? 50 VA minus 10 VA, this is 2 is there, this is 4. Solving 2 and 4, what you are going to get here? We will get VA. So VA is equal to 16.88 kilonewton. Then MA is equal to 37 kilonewton meter. Okay. This is about the calculation of VA and okay, 16 point. This is 7. This is kilometer. Then how to get your VB and MB? So same I am taking again now. This is the figure. What we have taken here? MA, VA. This is 15 kilonewton, 3 meter, 3 meter. Then UDL 4 meter. This is 10 kilonewton meter. Then VB, this I am taking the MB. Then go for sigma f of y is equal to 0. What will you get sigma f of y? VA minus 15 minus 10 into 4 plus VB is equal to 0. Understood? This is VA upward positive minus 15 downward. UDL is there 10 into 4 downward minus plus VB is equal to 0. So I got VA is equal to 16.88. If I substitute VA, we will get the value of VB is equal to 38.12 kilonewton. Understood, please? So similarly, if I go for moment about A, I got na. So I'll take moment about B. I'll take, okay. Say moment about B. If I am taking moment about B, I am taking now. So what will happen here now? Moment about B. VA into 10. Okay. So VA into 10. VA into 10 clockwise. This is minus MA. Minus MA. Minus 15 into 7. Minus 15 into 7. This is minus 10 into 4 square by 2. Then this is what we will get here, and clockwise. So plus MB. Plus MB is equal to 0. If we substitute the value of VA, MA, we get the value of MB as 53.2 kilonewton meter. So I got VA value, MA value, MB value. So there is no problem. Now I want to draw the free bending moment diagram. So for the free bending moment diagram, you can see I want to draw the free bending moment diagram. Total bending moment diagram is fixed bending moment, fixed end moments. These are fixed end moments, MA, MB. Then free bending moments also I should take it. So free bending moment, for that one I am taking small b. We already discussed in the previous one. Small a I am taking. This is 15 kilonewton. Then from here to here, UDL 10 kilonewton per meter. This is 4 meter. This is 3 meter. 3 meter. So first you calculate the BA BB without MA MB. That is free bending moment diagram. Without, I am taking without. Understood all of you? Without I am taking. So without means I will take here first sigma MB is equal to 0. Here I have taken MB is equal to 0 with MA and MB. So here without, that is free bending moment diagram. So VA into same 10 minus 15 into 7 minus 10 into 4 square by 2. So from this we will get the value of VA. VA is equal to, if you calculate, you will get 18.5 kilonewton. If you go for sigma f of y here, VA minus 15 minus 10 into 4 plus VB is equal to 0. Then I'll get the value of VB is equal to, we substitute the VA value, I'll get VB value as 36.5 kilonewton. Understood? So what should I get here now? I want, say I have taken AB, this is C I have taken, these are taken as D. So I want now MC and MD, small MC and small MD. So how to get here now? Anybody? MC is equal to VA into 3. VA into 3. VA is 18.5. 18.5 into 3. So I got 55 kilonewton meter. Similarly, if I go for MD, what will get here? VA into 6. This is VA into 6 minus 15 into 3. Minus 15 into 3, that I got as 66 kilonewton meter. So if I am drawing the bending moment diagram, so I am showing you can see here, I am drawing the bending moment diagram. This is the one. So 4 meters, no? 4 meters, 10 kilonewton per meter. This is the 4 meter. Then 3 meter, 3 meter. What is here? 15. Okay. 15 kilonewton. 3 meter. 3 meter. A, B, C, then D. A, B, C, D. Okay, you can see now. Now I am going to draw the, first I will draw the free bending moment diagram. First I will draw the free bending moment diagram, then later on that one. Okay, what I got here, you can see here 55 and 66. 55 and 66. So if I draw a baseline, okay, I am drawing a baseline, say. So this is the baseline. This is 55. The other one, what I told, 66. Okay, 66. So here, what is the loading in between? No load. So no load means what will happen? Linear. From here to here, no load, linear. From here to here, UDL. UDL means you'll get here parabola. You get a parabola. Then what are the fixed bending moments you got? 16.88, 38.12. So 16.88. Okay, 16.88. MA, no? MA 37 and 53.2. It's 37 and 53.2. So I am taking here 37, then 53.2. So join these two. So below, this is the baseline. Below this baseline minus, above this baseline positive, then below this line negative. So this is our bending moment, final bending moment diagram. This is our final bending moment diagram. Final bending moment diagram. Then how to draw the shear force diagram? How to draw the shear force diagram? So what we got here? Capital VA and VB. VA, VB, how much you got? VA 16.88. So 16.88 positive, you should take it here. Then VB 38.12. So 38.12 here I am taking. 38.12. What is the load in between these two? So there is no load in between these two. Understood, please? No load. So no load means constant. 16.88. Then this is 15. So minus 15. Minus 15 means how much you will get here? Minus 15 means how much you will get? minus 15 means 1.88 positive. So this is 1.88. Again, there is no load between C and D. Clear? So no load. Then this is 1.8 same. There here UDL is there. So whenever UDL is there, what should I do? This is linear. So this is negative. This is positive. This is your shear force diagram. Suppose in the same problem, if he is asking for say point of counterflexure. So point of counterflexure, please listen. So this is 1 point. You want to calculate the point of counterflexure. Say this is, I am taking as some R1. Okay, this I will take it as some R2. Point of counterflexure is a point where bending moment changes its sign. So point of counterflexure. So point of counterflexures. Again, I will draw the figure. This is VB. This is VA. MA. MB. Then this is 15 kilonewton. Then from here to here, 10 kilonewton per meter, 4 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. So this is C and D. Okay. So by seeing the figure, where you are saying that it will come in between A and C. So in between A and C, we will get a point of counterflexure R1. So I will take the now moment about this one. Say R1. This moment about R1. This is moment about R2. So what will happen now? VA into R1. Listen please. VA into R1. So nothing, no load is there here. So this is minus MA. Minus MA is equal to 0. Substitute the value of VA and MA. You get the value of R1 as 2.192 meter. So VA, what is the VA value? 37. MA value is, okay, MA value is 37. Then VA value is 16.88. Now similarly, it is in between where here this is between A and C. Similarly, if I come from B and D, so I am cutting here section. So what we can write here? VB into R2 anti-clockwise positive. Then this is clockwise minus MB is clockwise. This is also clockwise. So 6 minus 10 into R2 square by 2 is equal to 0. Substitute the value of VB and MB. Then we will get the value of R2 in equation. You will get a quadratic equation. You solve using your calculator. Then we will get x2 is equal to 1.839 meter and 5.785 meter. You will get it. Okay. So which one you want to consider? So from here I am saying no, it should be less than 4. It should be less than 4. So this will cancel. So 1.839 meter and 2.192 meter. You can say from left end. This you can say from right end. So these are about the total problem.